Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one divided by secant of s. You got about secant of s squared. Secant of s 1 over secant of s. We can change into cosine s. And we have e to the power of sine s. We know that the integration of secant of s squared we got about tan s. Now we just concentrate about this one only. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equal to sine s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have cosine s ds. This one we change by u. Cosine s ds we change by du. The integration of this one we have e to the power of u. And we put about c. About u, that's about sine s. Now we return back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And then we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.